I'm going to take this rubber Flexx liquid rubber coating and I'm going to use it to fill in the expansion joint between my concrete because the old rubber material was just worn out. This expansion joint material has been cracking and peeling back. You can see how this is just pulling away from the edges here. Get the old material out of here. But I'm going to use this wire brush to just try and remove dust and debris so that my rubber Flexx liquid coating is going to stick down well. So we're going to fill in with some sand, but this will just make sure your liquid rubber coating gets used just for what it needs to be used for and doesn't fill in any voids that have come in under your driveway. So we're going to go ahead and fill this in the length of the crack and then sweep off the top. Well, there you have it. Just finished putting this rubber Flexx liquid rubber coating down to fill the seam here in the driveway. Self-leveling, works pretty easily, it works great, and it's a waterproof product, so this should last for years to come. It's got flexibility to stand up to the thermal expansion as the seasons pass and it gets cold and hot and back and forth.